Okay, welcome to this video. This video here, I'm going to show you how to install a wireless hour meter from Moose. Then I'm also going to do the bike's first oil change. But for this video, it's just the wireless Moose. It is an open to install thing. So I haven't opened it yet. You can see it's clearly in its package still. So let's see here. It's wireless. This is going on to a Kawasaki KLX 230R 2020. So let's see here. This little guy out. Okay. There's a sticky pad to put it on. The book, and it comes with the 2 screws. I am not going to be drilling into it. I am going to want to find a good spot. My forks are going. Those are going to hit. I guess if I were to put it anywhere. No. I don't want it to, if I lay the bike down, I don't want to take it out, so I don't want to go there. I mean, let's see. Goes all the way. Let's see if it'll fit in there. So, get the bike up. It looks like it's going to be too big. I'm going to end up smashing it there. Let's see here. That's not going to be enough. I wonder if I go here with it. Oh, let's see on the other side. Let's see what we got. I'll go here and knock it right off. Not enough. I mean, I guess I can go here, but the fork's gonna hit it. Let's see if there's an option in the thing. Let's see here, logbook. This is all logbook. Alright, so that's just a little logbook. It's not actual instructions. So let's see here. Clean the surface area. What's it say right up in there? Oh yeah. Bet you I can go right here with it. Bet you that's gonna be a good spot. If I put it up here, right there. Let's see. It stops it. Looks like I'm gonna have enough. Oh yeah. It doesn't look like it's touching plenty of room right in there. So that's where it's gonna go. So it's gonna go right here. All right. So, see, clean it off, peel liner from 2-side tape and apply to frame gasket area behind the steering stem. It's right there. Oh, okay. So just peel and stick, I guess. Right, no, the factory 5-digit code is displayed. One-time setup to enable meter. Push and hold for 6 seconds. Display will then show 0000. Enabled for counting. Okay, so put that right there. We're gonna push on it nice. Get it in there. Take the tape off. sure I don't lose any of my trash. I don't need that all over the yard. So hold it for 6 seconds, it said. All right. I don't think I have to take any of this stuff off in the back yet. So. Factory 5-digit code is displayed. Off 1.5. I'm set up to nanometer. Push and hold button for 6 seconds. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so you gotta use your fingernail in there. The button is right here. You gotta use your fingernail to really get it in there. So this one, all this one is just hours. All right. So if you want something else for like, I guess I'll go like that. If you want something else for your tachometer and everything else too as well, you can get a different one. Let's get this one on there. There we go. There we go. Push it on there. There. And now let's see what happens. Turn this. All right, let's just make sure it's not hitting it. No, it is not hitting. Okay. So that part is done.